Welcome to Bliss Bells. Today is about planning a luxury wedding on a budget. We've all been there, scrolling through social media, witnessing our friends and acquaintances' lavish weddings, and feeling the pressure to keep up appearances. The expectations to impress our guests, to live up to the idealized wedding standards, can be overwhelming. And let's not forget the hefty price tag that comes with it. It's no wonder that couples often find themselves sacrificing their dream wedding for the sake of their wallets. The average cost of a wedding is staggering, and it's easy to get caught up in the idea that you need to spend top dollar to have a memorable and impressive wedding. But what if you could have your cake and eat it too? What if you could have a wedding that's both luxurious and affordable? It's not only possible, but with the right strategies and insider secrets, you can achieve the wedding of your dreams without draining your bank account. One of my favorite secrets is to get creative with DIY decorations. Not only can you save a pretty penny, but you can also infuse your wedding with personal touches that truly reflect your style and personalities. Another game changer is choosing an off-peak wedding date. Not only will you save on venue costs, but you'll also have a more intimate and exclusive atmosphere. Leveraging local vendors is another clever way to reduce costs while still achieving a high-end look. And let's not forget about the power of negotiation. Many vendors are more flexible with their pricing than you think, so don't be afraid to haggle and negotiate to get the best deals. It's easy to get caught up in the extravagance of it all, but at the end of the day, what truly matters is the love you're celebrating, not the caviar or the designer gown. By focusing on the essential elements that make your wedding special, you can allocate your resources wisely and splurge on the things that truly count. Another key strategy is to think outside the box when it comes to wedding entertainment. Instead of hiring a high-priced DJ or band, consider hiring a local musician or even creating a playlist of your favorite songs. Not only will you save money, but you'll also create a unique and personalized atmosphere that reflects your taste and style. And let's not forget about the importance of timing. By having your wedding during the off-season or on a weekday, you can significantly reduce your costs while still having an unforgettable celebration. One of the most significant cost-cutting secrets I've learned is to focus on the guest experience rather than the guest list. Instead of inviting hundreds of acquaintances, focus on the people who truly matter to you, and allocate your resources on creating an unforgettable experience for them. By doing so, you'll not only reduce your costs, but also create a more intimate and meaningful celebration. Share your own budget wedding tips and secrets in the comments below.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.